Immunology overview. Appreciate that pathogens come in many forms. Know the difference between innate and adaptive immune response. Understand the role of primary and secondary lymphoid tissues. Be aware that the immune response develops in coordinated way, utilizing cell surface interaction and secreted molecules. Here, the invader may be bacteria, virus, fungi, parasites. First line of defense. This is a concept, the first line of defense. As we have an army, and there is first line, second line, third line to defend the country or defend the borders of your country. Skin forms a physical barrier. Mucus prevent colonization. Commensal microorganisms occupy niches. Acid pH resist pathogen. Enzyme attack pathogens. Definition of the immune system. The immune system is an integrated defense system composed of tissue cells and molecules. There are two types of immune response, innate and adaptive. The primary lymphoid tissue, the cell of the immune system, are generated in bone marrow, where virtually all the cell of the immune response originate from multipotent hematopoietic stem cell. Thymus, where one type of immune stem cell, the lymphocyte, develop functionality. Secondary lymphoid tissue, the adaptive response, are induced in mucosa-associated lymphoid tissue, pathogen at mucosal surface, lymph node pathogen in body tissue, spleen pathogen in blood circulation. Secondary lymphoid tissue, the adaptive response, are included in the mucosal-associated lymphoid tissue, pathogen at mucosal surface, lymph nodes, pathogen in body tissue, spleen pathogen in blood circulation. Innate and adaptive immunity. We make simple comparison between both of them. Innate immunity, broad specificity for pathogen associated molecular pattern. Adaptive immune response, highly specificity for antigen, same intensity every time, stronger and faster upon reinfection. Primary versus secondary immune response, immunological memory. Rapid response in the innate immunity, rapid response, minute to hours, cells already in body tissue or recruited directly from blood circulation. In adaptive immune response, initially rather slow response, cells need to proliferate in secondary lymphoid tissue. Innate and adaptive immune response. Innate immune response, rapid response. Adaptive immune response, cell proliferate in secondary lymphoid tissue. Recognizing the enemy, the immune system attacks harmful pathogen. It doesn't attack our own healthy body component, self, commensal microbiota, and food antigen. Pattern recognition receptor. Pattern recognition receptor and the pathogen associated molecular pattern. Pattern recognition receptor, the damage associated molecular pattern, damage tissue. Pattern recognition receptor, damage associated molecular pattern. Antigen specific receptors, cells of the immune system circulate around the body, blood circulation, lymphoid circulation, both. Strategies for eliminate pathogen, phagocytosis, release molecule kills pathogen, cell kills infected cells. Strategies for eliminate pathogen, phagocytic cell engulf and destroy pathogen. Strategies to eliminate pathogen, phagocytosis, release molecule kills pathogen, cell kill infected cells. Functional organization of the cellular interaction, cell-cell in a contacted dependent interaction via secreted molecules. Cessation of the response, antigen stimulate the response. If response is successful, stimulus is eliminated. In addition, regulatory cells suppress any residual response. Pathogen come in many forms. The difference between innate and adaptive immunity. What primary and secondary lymphoid tissue are? The immune response developed in coordinated way, utilize cell surface interaction and secreted molecules. Thank you.